Morning students, today we will discuss about the arrangement of atom molecules in solid, liquid and gases. Students, already in the previous video I told you the molecules of solids are very tightly packed and the intermolecule space means space between two molecules is very less. And when we talk about the molecule of liquid, they are little bit far away from each other and intermolecule space is there. And when we come to gas, their molecules are far away from each other and their intermolecule space is too much as compared to the liquid and the solids. Now arrangement in solid, I have already told you these are the intermolecular spaces, means space between two molecules, and the force of attraction between them is known as the intermolecular phase of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction, you can see in solid they are very tightly packed, so they are attract to each other strongly. Arrangement in liquid, you can see the molecules in liquid can move a little bit and they have bigger intermolecular space as compared to the solids. The intermolecular force of attraction between the molecule of liquid are weaker as compared to the solids because here they are molecules are little bit far away. And if we talk about the arrangement in gases, you can see molecules are very far away from each other so that there is no intermolecular phase. When they are the molecules are very tightly packed, their force of attraction or intermolecular force is largest, but when they are far away it is almost zero and the molecules can move in any direction. Now we will compare among solid, liquid and the gas. So intermolecular space we have already discussed, tight in solid, little far away in liquid and very or too much far as compared to the solid and liquid. Then we will talk about the intermolecular force of attraction. In solid, intermolecular force is highest, then in liquid little bit, and there is no molecular or intermolecular force. Then movement of molecules in matter. Students, you keep in mind the molecules in matter keep on moving in their fixed position. Okay, then volume. When we talk about the volume, less movement of molecules mean definite volume. Means solid have a definite volume because they cannot move. Then cohesive force. These are the force of attraction between the similar molecules. Means water and water molecules are attract toward each other due to the cohesive force. And when we talk about the adhesive force, means the force of attraction between molecules of different material. For example, water molecule and silica. If they attract towards each other, this is the adhesive force, and when silica and silica attract toward each other, that is known as a cohesive force. Then Brownian movement. Brownian movement is the random movement of microscopic or the small particles suspended in the liquid gas. They can move in any direction. Example, when you put tea in a boiling water, you can see the tea leaves spreads here and there or diffuse in the water randomly. Then beam of light. When you see in the dark room from where beam of light is coming, you can see small particles. You can see the small particles are moving randomly. That is known as the Brownian movement. Then come to the shape. More intermolecular force means definite shape as in the solid, and no molecular intermolecular attraction is there means no particular shape. Then what is diffusion? Diffusion is the process of mixing substance with each other on their own. So here in the comparison table you can see intermolecular space is less in solid, more than solid, and more than solid and liquid in gas. Intermolecular force of attraction is more in solid because they are tightly packed, less than solid, and lesser than solids and liquid. Then come to the movement of molecules. So you can see least in the solids because they are very tightly packed. Continuous motion in liquids, and motion in all directions means in gas they can move in any direction. Then come to the volume. Because they are in solids, molecules are tightly packed, so they cannot move, they have fixed volume. If we talk about the liquids, molecules can change their position little bit, so they have a definite volume where we keep them. And in gas they can move randomly here and there, so they do not have any volume. Then shape is fixed. Already volume and shape little bit same, only volume and shape is same in solid. Liquid also take the shape of the place where we keep them, and the gas they take the shape of the container. For example, if we fill the gas in the balloon, it take the position of the balloon. If balloon is round, it take the shape of round balloon. If a balloon is spiral, it take the shape of the spiral balloon. Then diffusion, cannot diffuse because least spaces them. Show diffusion means liquid show diffusion, and gas is very easily diffused as they are very far away from each other. Next we will study about the interconversion of state of matter. Interconversion means state of matter change from one shape to other, or one state of matter to the other. For example, ice. When we melt the ice, it become water. When we boil the water, due to vaporization, it become the vapor. When vapors are cooled down, they again become the water, and when we freeze the water, it become the ice. Means from solid to water, water to gas. So it can be interchangeable. Now come to the activity or the think zone. Stone is hard and firm, it does not break when it is dropped, but glass is also hard and firm, but it break into pieces. Why? Because due to the density of stone is more and glass is less. And one more thing, the outer layer of the stone is hard as compared to the glass, so that outer layer is hard, so when it fell down, it does not break into pieces. Now which of these vaporize fast? So spirit. Nowadays you are using the hand sanitizer, you can see when you put the few drops, it vaporize very fast. So spirit, because it also consists of spirit. Next, how can you differentiate between man-made material and natural occurring material? Students, man-made material go through so many process, and natural occurring material are given by the nature. For example, cotton, you can directly take the cotton from the plant, but when we make the cloth, the cotton should be go through many process. Means cotton can be changed into yarn into cloth, and cloth it changes to make different types of clothes, means shirts, frocks, skirts. So man-made means material goes under many process, but natural means directly getting from the plants or the nature. Next question, if the length, breadth and height of your book is 20 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 6 centimeter, means length equal to 20 centimeter, breadth equal to 15 centimeter and the height equal to 6 centimeter. Find the space, means volume we have to. So length into breadth into height. So 20 into 15 into 6. So the answer is 1800 centimeter. Now with the help of activity, explain the compressibility. So how you will compress the solid. This activity you can do at home. Then name the 3 states of matter and define them. That is the solid, liquid and gas. Next, come to know what is the boiling point. When a liquid is heated at a constant pressure, the particles of the liquid gain enough energy to overcome the force of attraction. Means when we are boiling the water, when we providing the heat, the molecules have enough force of attraction between them, as there is a particle liquid escape not out of the surface but also from the near wall of the container. So you can see when you are boiling the water or the milk, it comes out from the vessel, that utensil or the vessel. So this process is called boiling. The temperature at which a liquid start to change a gaseous state is known as the boiling point of that liquid.